Coriander is a must-have herb in Indian and international cooking. It adds a fresh aroma and taste to every dish, and the best part is you can grow it yourself in just a few weeks. Hello guys, welcome to EcoPlants. In this video, we will show you how to grow fresh coriander at home easily and quickly in pot, grow bag or even in small containers. If you are new in my channel, so that do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for new content notification. Why grow coriander at home? Because grow super fast, ready in only 3 to 4 weeks. Grow well in small places like balconies or window sills. No chemical, fresh and organic. You can grow it again and again from seeds. Both leaves and seeds are useful. What you need: whole coriander seeds, not split. Pot or container use 6 to 8 inch deep. Good potting soil or garden soil, compost or cow dung manure. Spray bottle or washing watering can. A spot with sunlight and average 5 to 8 hours daily. This is need for the grow best coriander. Step first, choose the right seed. Buy whole coriander seeds from a local grocery store to check freshener. Crush a seed, it should smell strong. Lightly crush them using your hand or a rolling pin to split the outer layer. These help germination. Step to prepare the soil. Take a pot with drainage hole. Use soil mix 70% garden soil and 20% compost and 10% sand and cocoa peat for drainage. Fill the pot with soil and level it. Third step is sow the seed. Sprinkler the crushed coriander seeds, even cover them with a thin layer of soil. Do not bury deep water, gently using a spray bottle. Sunlight and weather: coriander beds grow in cool to moderate weather like 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. It need to 5 to 8 hours sunlight daily. Morning sun is ideal. And in summer, keep the plant in semi-shade. Watering. So watering lightly every day or every alternate day. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Do not overwater. Coriander root are very soft. Let's talk about growth timeline. First 5 to 7 days time for seed germination and 2 to 3 week for leaf grow 3 to 5 inch tall and 3 to 4 week ready for the first harvest. You can harvest leaves multiple time before the plant start flowering. Talk about how to grow and harvest coriander leaves. Use scissor to cut the top leaves. Leaves the lower part of the plant so it can regrow. For better taste, harvest before flowering start. It's called bolting. There are some bonus tips for you. Sow new seeds every 2 to 3 weeks for continuously supply. Avoid transplanting. Coriander doesn't like root disturbing. Add compost once every 2 weeks for less growth. Use neem spray to prevent aphids or fungal issues. Final message: growing coriander is fun, fast, and so rewarding. Once you try it at home, you will never want to buy store bought leaves again. So get started today. Sow some seeds and enjoy your own fresh, green, and aromatic coriander in just a few weeks. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe to EcoPlant for more gardening tips and simple made. Happy gardening.